Today, we are going to be learning how to make rain. For this experiment, you're going to need a glass jar, a plate, some hot water, and some ice cubes. This is a very simple process. All you need to do is pour about 2 inches of very hot water into your glass jar. Now, in my video, I'm using a glass cup, which also will work. Now, you cover the jar with the plate and wait a few minutes before you move on to this next step. After you've waited a few moments, you place some ice cubes on the plate. Now we wait, and what's happening is the cold plate is going to cause the moisture that's in the warm air from the hot water that's inside the jar to condense to form water droplets. This is the same thing that happens in the atmosphere. The warm, moist air rises, meets the colder air that's high up in the atmosphere. Then the water vapor condenses and forms the precipitation that falls to the ground. So in this one, it does take just a little bit, but it is really neat that we can create these same conditions that form water here in our own house, in a glass even. So you'll be able to see the little drops of water running down the side of the glass, and that is exactly what happens when it rains. Like I said, the hot water is rising with the air, and that then meets the cold plate, which is simulating our cold air, and then it condenses. And that is just meaning it is turning back into water from the vapor that it was. So this is a really cool experiment that you can do as well. And you just need to make sure that if you need help with the hot water, you get that from an adult. I hope you had fun with this experiment, and I hope that you will try out some more because science is fun.